Good day everyone, Complaining Gamer here. Welcome to Yuzu, the world's first Nintendo Switch emulator, currently in its baby steps phase. Let me take you through the setup and features of where it is right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on download, and this is going to take us to some pre-compiled builds. We have Nightly and we have Canary. As it says here, the Nightly builds contain already reviewed and tested features. The Canary builds have some features that still need reviewing. So we have Linux, Windows, and a link to GitHub. I'm going to go with the Windows build by simply clicking on the icon. Now this will download a pre-compiled version of Yuzu ready to go. In the first few days of its existence, people were having to compile it themselves. So here we are on our desktop with our downloaded Yuzu zip. Simply open it up and extract it to the desktop. And that's basically all that you need to do for the setup portion. Next, you can simply open it up, go down to the Yuzu application icon, and that's it. It will load straight up. Given the emulator's infancy, there are no obvious system requirements other than having at least OpenGL 3.3. So here we are on the emulator itself. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. Okay, so we seem to have a command window and the program itself. So if we go to File, we can load a file, select a game directory, emulation, start, pause, stop. What do we have in configure? General, search subdirectories, confirm, exit, CPU core, unicorn or dynamic. Interesting. Main window, exit full screen, load, okay. System, username, birthday, language, sound output. So mono, stereo, surround. I wonder how well that works. Input. Okay, I played around with this earlier and I was actually able to input my Xbox One controller buttons. So that does actually work. Graphics, limit frame rate, internal resolution. Okay, so we can go from auto, native, 2x native, 3x and 4x. Debug. The GDB stub only works correctly when the CPU JIT is off. Okay, emulation. View, full screen, single window, display dock, show filter, show status, debugging, micro profile arm, Reswitched. And then we finished that with about Yuzu. To learn more about the CPU core setting, I reached out to Yuzu contributors on Discord, namely GDK-chan, JFoxRocks and JRoboy. In short, there are currently two CPU emulators within Yuzu, Dynamic and Unicorn. Dynamic is still a work in progress, so Unicorn is the default option for now for loading files. When Dynamic has been developed more, it will theoretically be quicker. Leave a comment if you'd be interested in a more technical explanation. Additionally, if you want to learn more or get involved, consider joining the Discord server linked below. A nice last touch for now are the language options for Japanese, English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, Dutch, Portuguese, and Russian. If you're interested in testing out Yuzu and the space game, I'll provide all the links that you need down below. Remember to focus on the .nso file type for now rather than NRO, because NRO has some issues. So you'll simply come to the space game website, download spacenx.nso. Once you have the game downloaded, simply open up Yuzu and open up the game file, which will be spacenx.nso. And there you go. Feel free to test out the 0 to 1 FPS magic of space game. For now, Yuzu is only suitable for those who are deeply curious or are programmers. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you want to see more from me, remember to subscribe.